The scaffold. It looks just like this one. I don't know what brand it is though.
Yeah, so there's like 50 or 60 different manufacturers that all make a baker unit.
They're all yellow.
So we didn't want to be just one of the crowd. We wanted to make it better.
Good.
So they're kind of shaky, right? Oh yeah.
You gonna hold it? Put it on your shirt.
Yeah, I'll put it on here. Yeah. All right. Give the spiel here.
There you go.
Yeah, so they're all kind of shaky. So we wanted to make it better.
Stronger. Yeah.
So to do that, we made this right here longer. So
good. Yeah.
Everybody else is 18 inches. We made ours 23. So that takes a lot of the shake out of it.
Mm-hmm.
But what it also does, kind of a negative, it raises your minimum standing height from already kind of too high, 5 inches more. So to fix that, we made it, we could flip this upside down. If you watch the graphic right there. Perfect timing.
Oh, for the bottom. Okay,
yeah,
there you
so
go.
that gets you down to 10 inches.
Okay, good.
And then you can actually go a little above 6 feet. Obviously, we recommend some outriggers and clamps and guardrail.
Sure.
If you go up there, but it's capable. And to do that, we had to change these so you can take them out, flip them upside down, go in from this side.
Oh, okay.
But we made them better. We made it a true lock, so that can't go any higher than that. Others are just spring-loaded. This is flush mount up here, so you can't kick it out of place. I want to wear them. Even down to the small details of shifting the ladder rungs in to help mitigate that tip condition for a single unit. And then we also do this outrigger here, and that position helps mitigate the tip condition of a single unit. Because some construction companies even require a spotter if you don't have that.
Right. What about the...
So our guardrail, you can see here, we can take one side off. We move the hinges to the same side. He's onto the 5-foot unit there. Telescopes, so it fits in a smaller box, but it'll follow you. You have your paint can right there with you, or whatever you're working on.
What does a whole unit like this run retail?
This 12-foot unit.
Yes.
Retail is $8 or $8.50. We also do a
we have a reach on ours of 20 feet. So how much? But how tall is that one? Probably 16.
So 8. There's so we do a 6, 12, and an 18.
18 is probably the 18 that we got.
So 3 stack has a bigger outrigger. Obviously, keep it from tipping over. Same guardrail. But yeah, the guardrail, you can take the one side off to get right up next to the wall, right? Because regular scaffolding, you don't
I think what attracted us the most was this. He was like, cool, I could, like, yeah, right.
Yeah, the other guys only fit on the ladder here.
Okay.
So that's not very useful if you're up high. So
yeah.
Put it on the guardrail. Make it where it'll go outside the guardrail, inside. You can
so it can come off this side as well?
Not this side.
This side, okay.
Just the ends.
Right.
But you can put it on top. You can put it in the middle. Slide it along with you if you want.
We were on a job. He was up there, and I had to keep going up and down, bringing stuff.
Yeah. That's what the young guys are for, though, right?
Yeah. Exactly. So, all right. Sounds good. Well, thank you very much.
The 5-foot unit over here, if you want to take a look at that, it's got the widest.
Here's our YouTube channel, so your video will be on there.
Yeah, for sure. These guys are YouTubers, influencers. Okay. What's up? I can pass the mic over to Chase here. He's
Tristan.
He's more of a
this is Aiden. He's known as DIY Aiden on our channel.
DIY Aiden?
Yeah.
What's up, man? Good to meet you. What's up, dude? Chase. Pleasure. I need to clip this on?
Sure.
What are we doing, an interview?
Yes, sir. Yeah, why not? I mean, he already started.
Give a bit of a spiel about the 6-foot guardrail.
What you want to know? Let me tell you about it?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, so it's a 6-foot baker scaffold, like you've seen a million times all over the place, right? And there's dozens of manufacturers, and they make, they all have their own version of this product, but they're all very, very similarly designed, almost identical with very minor changes. So what you're going to find is that almost all of them have an 18-inch side rail cuff. Right. So what we've done is expanded it to 23. When you extend it to 23, you get more contact between the cuff and the frame. The problem is that when you drop this platform low, you've increased the platform height. When you drop the side rail low, you've increased the platform height. So the breakthrough was the design feature that allows us to take that side rail off, flip it upside down.
You showed us on the monitor there.
And go back on. Yeah. So you can get down to 10 inches with a significantly more stable multifunction unit. Then we improved the safety in every way that we could. So
Okay, good.
we designed this triple locking mechanism. There's two interesting things about it. One is that you can remove it and flip it upside down, reverse the orientation of it.
Right.
The second cool thing about it is it's actually a lock. So every other manufacturer you see is going to have a latch. Ours locks, it's got a dowel pin here.
Right.
It'll keep it from raising
Sure.
any further than the platform can come out from underneath. And it is flush mounted in the plywood platform. So it falls down inside that plywood, so it can't be kicked out of place.
Okay.
Then we include 4 of them
Right.
instead of 2, which is standard on every other unit you see.
Oh, yeah, that's better for sure.
Yeah. And then we have some additional design features. We have offset ladder rungs to move the center of gravity inward.
Okay.
Because the most likely, if you're climbing one of these guys by themselves, the most likely direction for it to tip is this direction, right? When you're climbing it, when you're putting your weight on it. So we move those ladder rungs in just a little bit. That was a subtle difference. The other design features you're going to see on the 6-foot unit are there to accommodate this stability kit. So there's 3 parts in a stability kit. You have a stability brace. So we had to add a backing plate and threaded portion here.
Yeah, I see it.
There is that obviously braces the corner, yeah?
Right.
Then you have what's called a caster lock. We had to weld a nut down here at the bottom of the frame.
Okay.
And this thumb screw will go in that nut. You still have your span pin, so you still have an integral connection. But we'll screw this into the nut. Oh, sorry. Yeah. And that's going to push that caster stem up against the wall on the inside of the tube. And that's going to eliminate any of the sloppiness in the connection, right? And the last part is this rail cuff clamp. It's simple in design, 4 of them in the kit, and it's just going to push that side rail into that frame, right?
Extra security, yeah. It's good.
It's going to push it in. And when you add those parts, you get a multifunction unit that does not shake like your traditional multifunction unit.
So where are your products, where are they sold?
We're going on shelves in Menards. At this moment, we're rolling out. Containers are coming in.
Okay.
We are online with Tractor Supply, Northern Tool, Lowe's, and Ace Hardware.
Okay. So Lowe's doesn't have it in the store. It's
not in store
yet.
yet.
It's only online.
That's right. You need to tell them you want it.
Good. Yeah. Well, I didn't hear you. What was that?
You need to tell them you want it.
Yeah, for sure. There you go. So Lowe's, we need it.
Yeah, come on, Lowe's.
Hook these guys up.
They're North Carolinians, Lowe's. They're based in Charlotte.
Yeah, for sure.
Fellow North Carolinians, if you see this.
That's good. Well, thank you very much for showing this. This is awesome.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
We have another business, so we use scaffolds all the time. We install window coverings in new construction jobs, and there's always the loft units that are really high. So I own a scaffold. It's not your guys's, but I want to buy one now. What does it run retail for an 18-footer?
18-footer, I want to say, is in the $900 range. This one maybe $950, something like that, approaching $1,000. This one's $800. 12-footer's $800. I just looked it up. Okay. We're priced a little bit higher on our website than our distributing partners. So
well, obviously, I mean, you guys, it's safer for sure. All this extra,
Well, no, I don't mean I don't mean higher than competitors. I mean we're higher than the retailers. So if you buy from Lowe's, you're going to get a little better price than if you buy from us, and that's because we can't undercut our partners, and they have better.
It's a strong unit though. I like it. It's good.
Thank you.
So
we've taken that same approach to every product in the lineup. So you see these outriggers are the same as those outriggers, but you see the angle's different. This is so that you climb a single unit. I told you this is the direction of tilt, right?
Right.
So you want these guys pointed towards you.
Yeah, and then that one's stabilizing it from.
That's for 2 units.
Oh,
so when you go up 2 units, the weight of the second unit keeps you from tilting it towards you. Your body weight does not affect it as much.
Okay.
Therefore, the most likely direction of tilt is on the sides rather than the ends. So we point them outwards.
Good deal.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, guys. So it's an amazing scaffold, right? So check them out at, what's your website?
Scaffoldmart.com.
Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. God bless. And
See you guys next time. Bye.
see ya.